Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 4 screencast video. So, you might have to excuse the background noise if you can hear some of it. I live in a pretty populated area up in Des Plaines, and whenever I decide to record a screencast video, the jets from O'Hare Airport seem to just follow the flight pattern over my apartment. So, I apologize for that. And I do believe that given the nice morning we have, that a bird is camped out right in the tree in front of my apartment, and it is chirping away. So please excuse some of the background noise if it interrupts my video here. So we're in week 4. We should be finishing up on Sunday the 4th with the email assignment. I have provided some information into the discussion board with the drafts, about your drafts, I should say. I've commented, made a few comments when necessary, and I posted up a little disclaimer there in the discussion boards. Hopefully, everybody's working through those drafts and comments, helping each other out in preparation for the upcoming assignment due date on Sunday the 4th. Now, in week 4, we're transitioning into chapter 9, which is basically about correspondence. And one of the things that the unit talks about is really it's hard to teach correspondence because there's just so many types of correspondence that you will write over the course of your business to career. It's difficult to categorize them all. So what happens is the chapter breaks out the types of correspondence, and the chapter is quite long. So this week in week 4, you do not have a discussion board post. Discussion board number 4 will be the usual discussion board activity where you would post your drafts of the assignments for that week. That discussion board is open, so if you want to draft early and post, I can provide some feedback. That would be great. But the chapter is quite long, and I do believe the chapter quiz for chapter 9 is pretty significant. I believe there's 10 questions in that quiz. So you want to focus on the content of the chapter and complete that quiz throughout the course of the week. Now, remember, you have 3 attempts at each quiz. To move through, please double check your spelling because it will not recognize, I should say, Blackboard's quiz functions will not recognize your answer if it is misspelled. All right. So light week, no discussion board after the email assignment is posted on Sunday. So in working in, transferring over to the course unit, I've opened up Unit 3, Chapter 9, and we're going to cover such concepts like routine and positive messages. We'll look at cover letters, acknowledgments, how to write inquiries and responses, sensitive and negative messages. Complaint message will be part of your assignment. And the chapter even covers adjustments and collections in international correspondence. Due to the in depth nature of this chapter, about the middle of this week, I will post another screencast video with my PowerPoint notes, and which includes some screen shots of some of the examples in the textbook that might provide some additional information and context. I don't usually narrate. This isn't a lecture capture. I don't narrate each individual slide. I'll pick out some of the significant slides and talk about their content, and then I will also talk and connect, I should say, the samples and examples from your textbook. So, like I mentioned, discussion board number 4 is up and open. If you want to post your drafts, give me a little bit more time to comment. Whenever you, this is three different correspondence in this assignment, so a Word doc would be great. That way I could comment and re-upload and send it to you through Blackboard. So our assignment number 2, the correspondence assignment, is basically explains to read exercise 2, parts A, B, and C on page 330 in your textbook. So the tasks for assignment 2 are as follows. You want to write part A, a letter of inquiry. Part B is a response to the inquiry. In part C, you're going to write a complaint letter about the information in the textbook. The three letters make up the correspondence assignment. Now, this assignment is worth 100 points. So we're going to spend a little bit more time working through each draft and assignment and through this assignment. Each component must be formatted according to the purpose and audience as indicated in the assignment. Clarity, conciseness, and tone are critical in this assignment. As always, your correspondence needs to be free of any formatting, vocabulary, grammatical issues. Professionalism is always first and foremost. So, like I said, if you can upload a Word doc, it gives me much more flexibility in commenting about your writing and your assignment. What do I want to add about this? One Word doc would be great, and uploading that. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will post up the PowerPoint, I'd say about midweek, Wednesday or Thursday, depending on my schedule. And then we can go from there. So, like I said, if you have any questions, please contact me via email. Good luck this week.